Taking your vehicle to a big-name chain service provider can be expensive and irritating. Whether you need windshield repair, to order new parts, scheduled maintenance. When you come to CarPros Kia for service or maintenance, we strive to get your repairs done right the first time. From oil changes to transmission replacements, our factory-trained technicians are dedicated to maintaining top-tier customer service for all of our customers. Visit us at www.carproskiacarson.com. While you're there, take advantage of our internet specials and start saving now. Find out about our internet specials. Print out money-saving service coupons. And when you go to a certified dealer for service, your vehicle's warranty stays intact. Call, click, or come in for more information. CarPros Kia is located at 21243 South Avalon Boulevard in Carson, California.